Thrift Tech Episode 3 found a putter with a hinge built right into the shaft. At first I thought it was just broken. Turns out that hinge is the entire point. This is the SKLZ Refiner, a training putter designed to snitch on your own swing. If your stroke is smooth and even, the hinge stays lock solid. If you rush it or jerk it off plane, the hinge instantly breaks and flops open. It's even adjustable. You can loosen or tighten the hinge tension, so beginners can start easy and dial it in tighter as they actually improve. So basically, it's a lie detector for your putting stroke. Let's see how bad mine actually is. The idea is a proper putt is a pendulum, smooth and controlled, like a clock swinging. The second your wrists take over and get jerky, this thing makes that flaw impossible to hide. Apparently, my swing has some serious honesty issues. Follow for more weird training gear thrift stores keep handing me.